Hello, this is Leszek Szymaszek. In this video, I'm going to show you the code for my camping speaker application. So I'm here on Chrome browser. I have my C9 open. This is the editor which I use to make this application. Okay, we've got two terminals open here. So let's use the first one, cd into Campgrounds app. Campgrounds-app. Okay, cd into V12. Okay, and now on the second terminal, let's go one step back and open our MongoDB. Oh God. The database service is running. Now we have to fire the application. So no daemon. And server is started. Okay. Now we can preview our application. And this is here. I showed you this in the previous video. You can enlarge it, so now you can see this is a responsive application. We've got a hamburger button here. I didn't show you previously because if I tried to resize a window, the movie would be stopped. So I can show you this now. You can see we've got the hidden menu under this button. You can make it even smaller. And this is actually the mobile device. And everything seems to look okay. Here, comments, everything seems to be okay. Okay, so let's get back to the code. Don't need it. Okay, so this is the root folder. I'm gonna tell you only about a couple of things. No point of talking about everything because you can have a look at my GitHub. You can check all the code. You can clone this application and use it yourself. Why not? So we have a middleware. So it won't be, my presentation won't be in the right direction. No, not direction, in the right, not ABCD. I started from the middle, like middleware. Okay, this middleware is responsive for checking the comment ownership, this function, and campground ownership, also checking if the user is logged in or not. It returns volume, redirects to the login if an error, or shows flash messages. Okay. In the models, we have the database models. In our MongoDB model, we are requiring Mongoose, and this is the schema for the campground. So the campground has got a name, price, image, etc., etc. This is the comment schema and the user schema is exported as a user, capital U, at the end. I'm not going to show you all modules. In public, we've got the style sheets and the landing page. It has got its own. This is the slideshow. This is the animation at the beginning we saw. And so the landing page has got its own CSS, and the main page has got its own CSS. Not a lot of this, as you can see, because most of the time I use Bootstrap. These are the routes, campgrounds routes. Let's start at the beginning. So over here we are requiring the campground and comments from the models I showed you previously, and we are requiring middleware, which I also already show you. And this is the route for showing all campgrounds, adding campground, and this is the form for adding new campground and showing specific campgrounds, from searching, edit campground, update campground, destroy route, and escape regex function. This module exports a router. So router is basically this variable. Okay, it's a command route. Start at the beginning. It's similar as the campground route. Also showing form for new command submitting, edit form, edit route, and destroy route. Also exports, and this is the index.js. So, sorry, I've got a problem with the mouse. Okay, fixed. This is the showing registration form route and handle the registration logic. So what happens when we hit the register button? All of this logic, all of this function fire. Later showing login form and handle pressing the login button, pressing the logout button, pressing the user profile, and that's it. Now we have views. They are divided on views that have something in common with campground, comment, and we have partials and views with something in common with users. I'm not going to show you all of them, no point of doing that, but they are done in EJS, which stands for Embedded JavaScript, and as you can see I am using Embedded JavaScript. For example, here when we are taking the campground ID over here we have a name. Okay, so I take this EJS. Now let's have a look at this one. Now we are including partials header, and at the end we are including partials footer. So these two EJS files. Jumbotron, containers, and welcome messages, and some logic for each. So showing the campgrounds over here with image, name, and href, so the specific campground. Done as a description button. Okay, now let's see maybe something from the users. Landing, oh, this is the landing page, and these are actually the LIs responsible for changing the images at the beginning. And this is the login page, nothing fancy here as you can see. Register page, also nothing fancy. And maybe I will show you something more from campground. So index page, index.ejs. This is the main page of the camping speaker. Here is the button to add a new campground, for example, and this is the search field. It's a big button. And in this div we've got a for each loop which displays the campgrounds in boxes or something like that, as thumbnail plus some bootstrap thumbnail. Okay, so let's see now main file app.js. We are requiring here quite a lot of stuff. Express, since this is an Express based app. Body parser, mongoose for the database support, Flash for the Flash messages, moments, as I said, moment.js, passport is for authentication, local stretch, the campground, another override, comment, user, seeddb, this is for seeding the database. This file is here, but it's not necessary right now because we can add new campgrounds and remove using UI, so no need to do that. Here we are requiring the routes. We've done them routes. These routes we are requiring over here, and here we are connecting to the database, setting the view engine as EJS, some using static resources, and using Flash for the Flash messages, and here the command out code for seeding the database. This is not necessary right now. And other functions, authentication, so just the configuration stuffs. Quite a lot of this, maybe not a lot. And here we are using kilograms, and listening. Our application is listening on the process.env.port and process.env.ip. And we've got console.log server started if everything's fine, and you see it here. So it started. This is how it works, and at the end I should have shown it at the beginning, package.json. So dependencies we used author. Got to enter the author. It's done. So when I've done npm init, I have to omit this field with author. Okay, but I've done this right now and save. Okay. The main file is app.js, so this file, no description, can browse up. And these are the dependencies. I already told you about them. Well, this will be it. This is all about the codes. As I said previously, you can have a look at this code at GitHub, in my GitHub. You can clone it, use it, get your own campgrounds application on your own computer. Thank you very much.